Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank the government of Montenegro and also the partners that have organized the summer school. I think I've benefited a lot during these days in the summer school. One of the areas that I can mention specifically, it was the introduction to the foreign policy of Montenegro and its implications, and also the challenges and also the achievements they have managed to achieve recently. It was very important for me because our country is also has bilateral relations with Montenegro. So it was very good for me to understand better. As you know that I'm from South Africa, and South Africa is a bit far from Montenegro, so we don't always get information in timely. So coming here, it was very good for me. Yes, most definitely, especially in the Diplomatic Academy of the Montenegro, and also the people that were invited to come and present, and including the colleagues as well, that the participants themselves, because it was useful to be in this environment, to exchange contacts, also to learn about other people's views on many issues of international significance. So in that aspect, it was very important to come here to exchange the views and the contacts as well. Yes, it was very important for us, especially as young diplomats. As you know, traditionally, diplomacy mainly involved the information mainly from your experienced professors, your senior diplomats. But now also with the modern technology, you've got other tools of communication, such as Twitter and Facebook and all the stuff. So we gather here also to gain insights about how to best use those modern tools in order to enhance our work. So it was very important to come here.